Hey guys, I'm Mr. SK and now you're watching my channel. Today, this video is going to be a different video. I'm going to start vlogging from this video. This is my first vlog going on. Yo guys, look at the rain, how it's raining outside. It's so rainy. Can't even walk in my balcony properly. I know you can't even hear my voice properly, which I just spoke right here. Look at the rain out there. Yo guys, it's raining out there. People, look at that guy. He's holding an umbrella and walking. Look at my balcony. It's so water. It's full of water. Look, I can't even walk properly. It's skidding a lot. Look out there. It's this typical Bangalore weather. It's raining out there. Jump. It's raining out there. It's right. It's jump. It's raining out there.